A 2023 Honda Accord owner in Ohio lost $847 in 1 year compared to his neighbor's identical Accord. Same commute, same gas station. The mechanic found 5 invisible mistakes bleeding his wallet dry. American Automobile Association says 68% of American drivers make at least 3 of these errors right now. The average household spends $2,500 yearly on fuel, and nearly 30% is completely unnecessary. I'm revealing 9 fuel-saving secrets gas stations pray you never discover. The last one, it's already in your car. Let's start with the biggest money drain. Secret number 1, the premium fuel scam. Here's $468 flying out of your exhaust every year, and you think you're helping your engine. Premium fuel sounds premium, but Bosch research destroyed that myth in 2024. They tested 127 vehicles labeled Premium Recommended across 50,000 miles. The result? 91% performed identically on regular 87 octane versus Premium 91 octane. Zero difference in power, economy, or longevity. So what does Premium actually do? It resists pre-ignition in high-compression, turbocharged engines like BMW M3s or Porsche 911s. Your Toyota Camry or Honda CR-V. The engine control unit compensates instantly by adjusting ignition timing within milliseconds. That extra 90 cents per gallon adds up brutally. Fill up weekly? That's $468 annually wasted on nothing. 16 million American drivers make this mistake, burning over $2 billion collectively. Check your owner's manual right now. If it says 87 octane acceptable instead of required, you just found $468 back. The only thing premium fuel cleans is your bank account. Secret number 2, the roof rack robbery. You finish your ski trip and leave that roof cargo box bolted on because removing it feels like work. Meanwhile, your car bleeds $215 every year. MIT's aerospace department ran wind tunnel tests in 2024 that shocked everyone. An empty roof cargo box creates 18% aerodynamic drag at 70 miles per hour. Not the cute 2 to 5% everyone mentions, 18%. Even crossbars alone steal 12% efficiency at highway speeds. Lawrence Berkeley Lab calculated 142 million gallons wasted annually from unused roof racks across America. A buddy removed his cargo box from his Ford Explorer and texted me 3 weeks later, mind blown. His MPG jumped from 18.2 to 21.7 on the exact same route, 3.5 miles per gallon from 10 minutes of unbolting. If you must carry gear, use a hitch-mounted carrier instead. It sits in your vehicle's aerodynamic shadow with 87% less drag compared to roof mounting. Don't pay $215 yearly to store an empty box in the worst possible location. Remove it today. Secret number 3, the tire pressure. Silent killer. Your tire pressure monitoring system is lying to you by design. That dashboard light only triggers when pressure drops 25% below recommendation. If your door jamb says 35 psi, the warning won't blink until 26 psi. That's a 9 psi deficit, and the damage is already done. Department of Energy engineers found everyone, PS drop in all 4 tires, reduces fuel economy by 0.2%. Multiply across 9 psi, you're losing 1.8% efficiency. At $3.50 per gallon and 15,000 miles annually, that's $120 vanishing before your warning light wakes up. Michelin's 2024 study inspected 10,000 random vehicles and found 73% had at least 1 tire underinflated. Why? Tires naturally lose 1 psi per month through molecular permeation. 9 months in, you're already down 9 psi before your TPMS bothers telling you. Check your door jamb monthly with a $12 digital gauge. Takes 90 seconds. Saves $120 yearly. Don't overinflate though. Running 5 psi over risks an $850 highway blowout. Stick with the engineer's number. Secret number 4, the cruise control paradox. Only 27% of drivers use the single most effective fuel-saving technology in 94% of new vehicles. Adaptive cruise control is a $312 annual savings sitting dormant, Ford's team ran a 12-month study with 50 F-150 owners. Half used ACC, half controlled throttle manually. The ACC group saved $312 per year. Why? Human nature. University of Michigan researchers found we instinctively vary speed plus or minus 5 miles per hour every 18 seconds without realizing it. These micro-adjustments murder efficiency. A CC maintains speed variance within 1 mile per hour, and advanced systems predict traffic using forward-facing radar and GPS data. Modern systems see hills coming 800 feet ahead and adjust throttle gradually instead of your panicked jab. Hidden bonus? Bosch tested brake pad longevity and found ACC extended brake life by 40% by eliminating panic stops. You're paying fuel to build momentum, then throwing it away as brake dust. ACC eliminates 89% of unnecessary braking events. Turn it on, let the radar work. Secret number 5, the aggressive driver's curse. Insurance Institute for Highway Safety tracked 1,200 commuters with GPS for 6 months. Aggressive lane hoppers arrive 40 seconds earlier on average. 40 seconds. That's barely enough for one Instagram story. But they burn 22% more fuel from constant acceleration and braking. MIT's traffic models prove something counterintuitive. In dense traffic, staying in one lane lets you predict flow and coast longer. Coasting is free momentum you already bought. Every brake stab converts kinetic energy into brake dust and heat. Pure waste. AIA Colorado found speeders save 26 seconds per day, but that speed variance kills efficiency by 15 to 30% on highways. Driving 75 miles per hour steady beats 65 to 80 miles per hour, fluctuating by 14% efficiency. Look ahead a quarter mile. See red lights? Coast early. See traffic slowing? Ease off now instead of racing up and slamming brakes. Physics doesn't care about your schedule. Smooth drivers arrive 30 seconds later but save $240 annually. Impatient drivers wonder why fuel bills destroy them. Secret number 6, the AC crossover mystery. General Motors Aerodynamics division finally solved the AC versus Windows debate in 2023. The crossover isn't 60 miles per hour like everyone claims. It's 52 miles per hour. Below that, Windows down wins narrowly. Above 52 miles per hour, AC on 50% duty cycle beats open windows by 11% efficiency. At highway speeds, open windows create turbulent air pockets that destroy your engineered aerodynamic profile. But here's the secret most miss. Recirculation mode cuts AC fuel penalty in half. Honda tested a 2022 Accord in Texas summer. AC without recirculation increased fuel use by 22%. Same AC with recirculation, only 11% increase. That button saves hundreds. Your strategy, city driving under 50 miles per hour, windows down. Highway above 55 miles per hour, windows up, AC on, recirculation activated. Don't max to full blast either. Set 72 degrees and let the system regulate. Full blast forces continuous compressor operation, the real fuel killer. Smart climate control cycles the compressor on and off, cutting efficiency hit by 40%. Comfort doesn't require cooking your wallet. Secret number 7. The idle killer mechanics hide 6.2 billion gallons evaporate yearly from idling. That's $21.7 billion wasted. Half comes from us sitting in parking lots and drive-thrus warming cars that don't need it. Your grandfather's 5-minute warm-up advice died with carburetors in 1995. Modern fuel injection systems reach optimal temperature in under 30 seconds. Even in January, EPA data shows idling burns 0.25 to 0.5 gallons per hour depending on engine size. Your daily routine, 10 minutes idling, morning warm-up, coffee drive-thru, school pickup, that's 30.4 gallons yearly or $106 burned sitting still. But fuel cost is just visible damage. ADDITIVES' 2024 study found engines idling 15+ minutes daily failed 28 months earlier than normal. Prolonged idling causes carbon deposits on intake valves, creates sulfuric acid that corrodes exhaust from inside, and dilutes engine oil with unburned fuel. Cold weather? Modern engines only need 30 seconds before gentle driving. Driving gently the first mile warms everything faster because engine load generates heat. Your cabin heats faster too. Mechanics don't mention this because idle damage creates repeat customers. Secret number 8. The gas cap conspiracy. 1 in 5 cars on American roads has a faulty gas cap right now. Department of Transportation inspections confirm this. The cost? Up to 30 gallons yearly evaporating through a loose seal. That's $105 vanishing into air. But here's where it gets expensive. A bad cap triggers EVAP system codes. P0456, P0442, P0455. An average EVAP leak repair costs $1,400 nationwide. Why so high? Mechanics assume the worst and replace the charcoal canister at $600, purge valve at $300, running diagnostics at $150 per hour. Then they test the $18 gas cap and discover that was it. RepairPal analyzed 50,000 repairs and found 87% of P0456 codes resolved with a cap replacement. That's a $1,382 markup for skipping visual inspection. Check your cap monthly. Look for cracks in the rubber seal or missing pieces. It should click 3 times minimum. If your check engine light is on, buy a $25 OBD2 scanner first. Read the code. If it's P045 something, replace the cap for $18. You just saved $1,382. Secret number 9, the fueling extreme that kills engines. This saves over $1,500. 2 opposite mistakes with brutal consequences. First, reserve riders. Running near empty feels normal until you understand fuel pump engineering. The pump sits submerged in your tank using gasoline as coolant and lubricant. Below quarter tank, the pump overheats without enough fuel surrounding it. RepairPal's 2024 data shows fuel pump replacement averages $1,680, including labor. Drivers running below quarter tank regularly double their pump failure risk. Now the opposite, topping off after the pump clicks. That click happens at engineered capacity, forcing more fuel floods the EVAP charcoal canister with liquid gasoline, contaminating it. It's designed for fuel vapors, not liquid. Once contaminated, it causes rough idling and a repair bill between $950 and $2,200. Worse, stations have vapor recovery systems in their pumps. When you top off, you're paying for fuel the station sucks back, but already charged you for. The sweet spot? Refill between quarter tank and 3/4 full. This maximizes pump longevity, prevents EVAP damage, and stops funding station profit margins. That Honda Accord owner? This was his biggest mistake. That's 9 fuel-saving secrets backed by real engineering data, not gas station gossip. That Honda Accord owner losing $847 annually? He's saving 68% now. Start with secret number 1 and stop buying premium fuel you don't need. $468 back immediately. Comment your car's year, make, and model below. I'll tell you which secret hits your vehicle hardest. This is automotive forensics, not guesswork.